Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to use your free travel voucher from Cebu Pacific. So I received a free travel voucher last year because my flight going back to Manila was canceled. So they gave us a free voucher. To claim your free tickets, what you need to have is the booking reference of your canceled or delayed flight. Then go to the Cebu Pacific website and on the upper left, click Login and then click Travel Fund. Then type the booking reference of the canceled flight and then your surname and then click Continue. And then click Redeem Now. On this page will appear your voucher numbers. So in this example, there are 8 vouchers because the booking reference is a booking for 4 people. But if your booking reference is booked for only 1 person, you're supposed to see 2 voucher numbers in this page. So click the voucher number that you want to use and then click Continue. And then search for the flights that you want to book. So in this page, you are going to go through the normal or regular process of booking your ticket in Cebu Pacific. Let's fast forward to the last steps of the booking. Just uncheck the travel insurance if you don't want to avail of it or if you have your own travel insurance. And then you will see that you still need to pay the 200 pesos service charge. After paying, you will receive your new itinerary. And take note that you have to book your return flight separately because you have to use your second voucher to book the return flight. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. And thank you so much for dropping by my channel. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and God bless. Bye.